Good morning, students. How are you? I am working in SLPS school, Balian. I have explained about the trigonometry. Trigonometry means I have told about that. Tingro means tingro and mentry. Tingro means triangle and mentry means measure. Means to the measure of the triangle. We can say the trigonometry. All function of the sine cos tan, sine cos tan, cosec sec cot. Already I have told about that. Sin theta equal, I have told that sin theta equal 1 by cosec theta and cos theta equal 1 by sec theta and tan theta equal 1 by cot theta and tan theta equal sin theta by cos theta already I have told and cot theta equal cos theta by sin theta. But I am taking the value of the function some particular angle from the trigonometry given here theta 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. It means how can find the angle? Suppose that 0 degree, sin theta 0 degree value. So that is the formula. Sin theta, if the find out the sin theta 0 degree, first of all 0 sin theta 0 degree. It means 0 by 4 root. 0 by 4 root. We will get the answer is the 0. It means sin 0 degree value is the 0. And sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree means 1 by 2 are given there. Sin 30 it means sin 30 degree. It means 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So we know that 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is square pair of the, we will get the 1 by 2. It means sin 30 degree, it will the answer is the 1 by 2. After that, sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree means 1, 0, 1, 2, 2 by 4, 2 by 4, sin 30 degree, 0 degree, 34, sorry, 45 degree, 45 degree, 2 by 4 means 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, it means sin 45 degree means 1 by 2, sin 45 means 1 by root 2, after that sin 60 degree. 60 degree means sin 60 degree. First of all, write 60 degree. It means 0, 1, 2, and 3. 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4. It will answer 4 2 into 2. The root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degree means root 3 by 2. It will get the answer sin 60 degree root 3 by 2. After that, sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree means 4 by 4. 4 by 4 it means 1. The sin 90 degree it will get, we will get the 91. After the reversal, cos 0 degree value 1, cos 30 degree value. Cos 30 degree value root 3 by 2 it means convert root 3 by 2 and cos theta the 60 degree 1 by 2 cos theta 90 degree is 0 and the tan theta how can find the tan theta equal we know that tan suppose the tan 30 degree it means we know that tan theta equal sin theta by cos theta so sin theta 30 degree and by cos 30 degree. It means sin theta 1 by 2 and cos theta root 3 by 2. So cancel. It means sin 30 degree. It will get answer is the 1 by root 3. If the find out the cot 30 degree, cot 60 degree, suppose the cot 60 degree. Cot 60 degree means cot cos theta by sin theta. तो cot 60 degree it means cos 60 degree by sin 60 degree. तो cos 60 degree 1/2 and sin 60 degree root 3/2. To cancel it means cot 60 degree it will get the answer is 1/√3. After that, if you find out the cosec theta, the sin theta opposite the cosec theta, cos theta opposite the sec theta, and tan opposite the cot theta. You will get the find the answer. And we know that pi means pi equal 180 degree. Pi equal 180 degree. It means if the sin 30 degree means sin 30 degree means 30 by 180. 180 it means 3 is 60. It means pi by 6. Sin 30 degree if we'll write the pi by 6. Pi by 6. Pi by 4 is 45 degree. Pi by 3 is 60 degree. Pi by 2 is 90 degree. Pi is 180 degree. First of all, pi 0, pi by 180, 0, minus 1 and 0 means sin pi value 0 and cos pi value minus 1 and tan 0, pi value 0. After the opposite is 0, pi and 2 pi are same, 0, 0, minus 1 the plus 1, 0 and 0. First we learn the pi, value of the pi, sin, cos, tan. After that means pi 0, sin pi means 180 is 0 and the 2 pi same, pi and pi 2 pi same, 0, 0, minus 1 and 1, 0 and 0. First we learn that minus 1 change into the plus sign. 2 pi means 360 degree. 2 pi means 360 degree. 3 pi by 2 means 270 degree. Clear? Clear or not? After that, now I am going to start the quadrant. We know that this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. According to trigonometry, first quadrant is the all is the plus. All is equal to column. All is equal to column. All is equal to column means all trigonometry function here sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec means all first quadrant sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cot theta, sin, cos, tan, sec, cot and cosec theta always positive. Means it is that is the first quadrant of the all things are the positive. Means all is good. All means seven. All sin, cos, tan, cosec, cot and all is school means sin and cosec. Second quadrant sin and cosec only the positive. Sin and cosec. Second quadrant first of all all school to college. All school all means all trigonometry function is the sin, cos, tan, cosec all is the plus, but second quadrant sin and cosec only the plus. Second quadrant sin theta and cosec theta always plus, all of remaining the minus. And third quadrant means 2 means tan or cot. Tan theta and cot theta only the positive, remaining the negative. That is the third quadrant. And fourth quadrant, two parallel means cos and sec. Cos and sec are positive, all is negative. It means first quadrant is the pi by 2. It means pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. First quadrant, this is it, and second quadrant 180 degree, and third quadrant 270 degree, and fourth quadrant make a 360 degree, which means that is a 2 pi. 2 pi means 360 degree. Clear? I am telling about that some formula of the trigonometry. Suppose that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1, and sec square theta minus tan square theta equal 1, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal 1. First of all, if the sin square theta equal plus here the transversal here 1 minus cos square theta. If the find out the cos square theta, so cos square theta equal 1 minus sin square theta. After that, sec square theta. If the find the sec square theta, so sec square theta equal 1 plus tan square theta. If the tan square theta find out, sec square theta minus 1. After that, cosec square theta minus tan cot square theta equal 1. The cosec square theta equal 1 plus cot square theta. If the find out the cot square theta, it means cosec square theta minus 1. First, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal 1. Now, sin A plus B equal sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and sin A minus B sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. After that, cos A minus B means cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. After that, cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. After that, tan A plus B, equal tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. After that, tan A minus B equal tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. For the one example I will given. Suppose that find out the sin 75 degree. Sin 75 degree. Sin 75 degree. Now we know that sin A plus B, sin A sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So sin 75, that is 2 part, 45 plus 30 degree. It is a value of 45 to 30 degree. It means sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 and sin 30. We already have explained about that. Sin 45 degree means 1 by root 2 and cos 30 means root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 degree means 1 by root 2 into sin 30 means 1 by 2. It means multiply the root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 dividation. We can write root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. If you want to rationalize them, do rationalize here. And after that, only one question. For example, 10 105 degree. If you find out the 105 degree, we know that 10 A plus B equal 10A plus 10B by 1 minus 10A into 10B. So 105 means to the two parts 60 degree and 45. 60 plus 45 we will get the 105 here. Use our formula 10A plus B. So 10 60 degree plus 10 45 degree by 1 minus 10 60 degree and 10 45 degree. So we know that I have explained out 10 60 degree means root 3 plus 10 45 degree means 1 by 1 minus 10 60 degree means root 3 and 10 45 degree means 1. It means root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Rationalize here. Do rationalize. Minus if the both are the plus, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Then we root 3 plus 1 the whole square by root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square. It means A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square, you know that A plus B का whole square means A square plus B square plus 2AB plus 2AB. It means use here root 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 into root 3 into 1 by A square minus B square equals A minus B and A plus B. A minus B or A plus A minus B or A plus B. Multiply A square plus B square. The root 3 whole square minus 1 square. It means root 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 by root 3 square means we will get the 3 minus 1. It means 314 plus 2 root 3 by 2. 2 is a common here. Means 2 plus root 3 by 2 is cancelled. It means 10 105 degree value is the 2 plus root 3. You have everyone write down. Thank you for watching the video.